Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking two things: headset firmware and Ps5 software, because compatibility fixes live there. Once done, pick your connection method: wired USB-C 3, 5mm through controller, or Logitech wireless dongle, since each routes audio differently. Plug the cable or insert the dongle to wake the headset. You want the Ps5 to detect a new audio device immediately. Make sure the headset battery is charged if using wireless, and keep the controller near the console when pairing. Now you execute the main steps. If wired, plug USB-C directly to the Ps5 or use the 3.5mm in your DualSense and set output to controller. This gives low latency chat and game audio. If wireless, insert the Logitech dongle into a front USB port, then press the headset pairing button until LEDs flash to sync. Next, on the Ps5, go to Settings, Sound, Audio Output, and choose the G Pro X2 so the console routes game and mic audio correctly. Finish by tuning levels. Set output volume, mic level, and output format in Ps5 sound settings so you get balanced game and chat audio. Once done, test in a party or quick match and enable 3D audio if you want spatial cues. If something fails, reboot the Ps5, repair the dongle, or swap cables. Often a restart or different USB port resolves detection issues. If mic isn't picked up, check steering input device is set to controller or headset in the same settings menu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.